Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new Lunar Ox pet from Roblox Adopt Me for Chinese New Year's. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing the snout. Draw a curved line down to the right like this. From the top, draw a short diagonal line down to the left. Then a short curved line down. Let's draw the nose ring now. Draw a small curved line here. On the outer side, draw a large U shape on an angle. Now draw another U shape on the inner side. Then close it off at the top with a line slightly wider than the ring. Draw another wider curve on the left side of the ring as well. Now from the right side, draw a diagonal line down to the left. Then one more short line to close off the snout. Let's draw the head next. From the top left of the snout here, draw a short curved line up. Before continuing the head shape, let's draw the eye. Draw a semicircle here. Then close it off with a line down. Now color the eye in black. Next, draw a circle on the right here for the other eye. And color it in black as well. Let's continue the shape of the head. From the left eye, draw a curved line up and to the right. Stop here so we can draw the horn next. To draw the horn, draw a small C curve down from the top of the head. Next, draw a S curve up and then to the right. Follow the same curve back down and then close off the shape. Next, let's draw the ear under the horn. Draw two curved lines coming to a point out to the right like this. Then inside, draw an upwards curve and then a downwards curve to close it off. Now draw a small curve between the horn and ear to continue the head shape. Follow the same head curve and draw a curved line down under the ear. Next, draw another diagonal line down towards the bottom corner of the snout. And lastly, a short line to close off the head. Let's draw the other ear now. On the top left of the head, draw an upside down V shape. Inside, draw a curved line. To the right of the ear, let's draw the other horn now like this. Lastly, for the head, let's draw the flower shape on the forehead. Draw a flower with 6 diamond-shaped petals like this. Next, let's draw the rings or the collar around the neck. On top of the head, draw a small curved line to the horn like this. Follow the same curve in between the horn and the ear. And then continue the line under the ear like this. Now draw a diagonal line down to the left. Then another diagonal line across, and another straight line to the left. And now a small line to close it off. Draw another second ring next to this one in the same way, with straight lines going around. Let's draw the body now. From the top of the head, draw a line across to the horn. Continue this line on the other side of the horn, then dip it down and back up like this. Next, continue this line down, around, and back up to the color. Now to draw the tail, draw 2 diagonal lines out from the back. Draw a small curve to close off the shape. Next, draw 2 curved lines coming out the side and meeting at a point. Lastly, let's draw the feet. Under the bottom right of the body, draw a curved line down. Now a curved line across the bottom, and then a small curve to close it off. To draw the next foot, in the front, draw an upside down U shape. Then close off the bottom of the foot with a curved line across. For the last foot, draw a curved line down to the left here. Now move over to the right and draw a small curve down. Then close off the bottom with another line across. Lastly, draw a curved line across the bottom of the body like this. And that's it for the lunar ox. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos. Thanks for watching.